Hi guys, good morning. Tammy's doing the weed whacker. Let's go see what Lynn and the baby are doing. Oh! Oh my God, you're causing a mess. What are you doing? Huh?
She want me to go out with her. Yeah.
You want to go outside?
Why she want that there?
Okay, baby. Where did she find a spoon in the bedroom? Why do we have a spoon in the room?
We have a spoon because we have a guest. Spoon, coffee, glass.
What? Time is it? I hope the nanny's coming. Time is it? What?
Just 7.
It's 7? What?
7:45.
Oh, okay.
She said Rara.
She said Rara?
Yeah, she's gonna call her Nana.
That's 8 o'clock. Who's FaceTiming me? You?
I did.
And my phone's over here. You can't get me. You can't find me. So let me go see what the guys are up to today. What?
You wanna go to Mike's house?
Mike and Cora? On the way to Tagbilaran.
Oh yeah, I will go tomorrow, right? I know.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah.
I want to eat pizza.
What?
I want to eat pizza.
You want to eat pizza? Is today Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Thursday pizza. She never liked pizza before. Now she has to eat pizza. So the wall, it's pretty much done. What do you need? Okay. Okay. It needs more skim coat. Paint the long. Just paint up to here. Okay? This is the last section for paint. But keep cementing to the camera. So yeah, you guys keep doing the cement until the camera, and then the paint stops here. The paint stops here. Okay? After this painting, I want to start painting the walkways. Okay.
In there inside. And
So-
black.
So this is the last. Yeah, this was
Black,
this.
it's a pen.
What?
Pen that's last black.
Black?
Oh.
No, not black. No, this is
It's a pen. It's a pen.
same paint, but it's just the last. This is the last section. No more. After this, no more paint. But the cement goes to the camera. Okay. And then, guys, we need to start working on the driveway. Okay. All right. After this, the driveway. Okay.
Atong simintong red zero.
So I don't want paint all the way down to the back because no one's gonna be back there. Oh, I didn't know we had all these chilies here. Wow, it's a lot of chilies. Stack, 2 sacks skim coat. Okay. Sammy, cut these ones too, okay? So we already did this section. It always looks like he goes too far to the ground, but honestly, this stuff is, you can't kill it. You can't kill this grass at all. And it's a little brown because it's starting to get into the dry season. If you don't start watering the grass manually, it's going to start getting brown this time of the year. We did have some rain last night, but it's the first rain we had in a little bit. So I want to show you the fence. We got to get some fill in here and cover up our water line. But the fence looks amazing. I am so impressed with the fence. Guys, how does that look? Right? So this one has 2 coats, this one has 1 coat. Polyurethane. You can feel the difference. He did a really good job. Sammy's the one painting all this. The painter, instructs him on what to do, how to do it, and then Sammy just follows the instructions of the painter. So it's gonna look nice, right? This is all gonna be bamboo. And then when we get to this section, there's gonna be this really nice polished stainless steel Stainless steel, stainless steel, stainless steel, stainless steel. And then over here, I haven't quite decided how to tackle this gate. Because I've seen so many different options. You know, you can do a door, then a gate, or you can do just one gate, and then the door is inside. The door is built within the gate. And then do I make the gate stainless steel, or do I make the gate ourselves with the bamboo? You know, I really like the bamboo. But you can't have bamboo here. You just can't. Because you won't see the house. I want to be able to see the house. And then if I put a gate here, so there'll be like a little wall here, another wall here, and then in this middle here will be the gate. So I'm thinking that you put the gate here, maybe it's just bamboo, you know, because it looks beautiful. So that's what I'm thinking, and it's cheaper. So what they're gonna do is we're gonna run a line of hollow blocks here, just one row, and then we'll throw some fill in here, and then cut out some of this and make this one square pad. So there'll be like a square level pad here where I'm standing, so that when the gates open and close, there'll be a level here. And then we got to put a drain, and the drain will go out the side. Now, I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to do any cement up here. I'm just going to do one cement pad here on the bottom, because this is where all the mud is. And then what we'll do is we'll flatten this out. We'll level all this, just flatten it, so that it's just all level. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get brick pavers that allows the grass to come up through the pavers. So that's what I got today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos.